Can you invest in apartments without leaving the comfort of your home? This is video number 2. Look, I found that on smaller properties, you can get a lot done from the comfort of your home. The larger the property, you really got to get out there and see it. After all, these are multi-million dollar properties. But here are some more steps to get you started from the comfort of your home. Number 6. You can, of course, leverage online communication and document signing. This can be both for your simple communication as well as negotiating and even signing documents for the transaction. Also, using everything online helps you to really clarify the details, get things in writing, and make sure that there's no miscommunication or misunderstanding with something that got said in a meeting that might have gotten missed. Number 7, you can do a lot of your property management remotely. Now, step number 1 to that, I would say, is to have a professional management team that can either be on site daily or at least checking in on the property. A good property management team can handle your tenant screening, your rent collections, property maintenance, and any other thing that you might need on site. And if they use a great property management software, you can check in on them and check in on how everything is going. Which brings us to number 8, monitoring everything and staying engaged. This means really checking your KPIs, your key performance indicators. How is your rent collection? How is your maintenance expenditures? How is your CapEx going on the property? How is the rent? Is it going up? Is it going down? Are you able to implement your business plan according to what you set out to do when you bought the property? There are plenty of online tools that you can use to track these financial metrics. And as long as you're regularly reviewing these reports, you can be able to stay on top of a lot of things remotely. But I will say from personal experience, you need to get out to your property as often as you can to really make sure you have a finger on the pulse and see everything going on firsthand. Number 9, you can network and learn from other real estate professionals who might be in that area, but you can meet them in Facebook groups or in bigger pockets, or just by simply getting on phone calls and networking and connecting with different people. You can engage in discussions, share your experiences with them, and learn from their experiences. And ultimately, as you create friendships and business relationships, you can leverage that relationship to have boots on the ground in the area. And number 10 is to continuously educate yourself by reading books, being online, staying in social forums like Facebook groups or other groups like Bigger Pockets, watching YouTube videos, reading ebooks, reading market reports that come out from lenders and brokers and other economists. There's even multifamily conferences these days that are exclusively online. This way you can stay up to date with industry trends, best practices, even what color paint is working best on these properties. Look, investing in apartments without leaving your house takes a lot of work, but you'd be surprised how much of it can be extremely productive by literally sitting on your couch, jumping on your phone, staying on your laptop. But at the end of the day, I will say this is real estate. It's real property. Getting out there and touching it and feeling it and seeing it for yourself is the best way to be a great investor. If you want to learn more about how I invest in real estate, specifically multifamily, you can go to my website, amitycashflow.com. My name's Chris Collins. We'll talk to you more tomorrow.